Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll create Sweet Boss Base. For this, there are two main requirements, a closed profile and a path. We have created the path, and today we are going to do two examples for a Sweep Boss Base. The first example will show how to create a sweep by using a circular profile and an open relatively linear path. It's important to make sure that the starting point of the path lies in the same plane as the profile. So we created this in top plane, and we'll go to right plane to create a closed profile here, sketch, and right plane, sorry. This 30, and we have created both a closed profile and a path. So let's go to Sweepboss Base, and for this we have to create a circular profile and a path here. Okay, this selected and this path selected, and this is our preview. Here the example 1 shows the basic of generating a sweep feature. Example 2 dive into more complex geometry and some other features of sweep base. So let's do it. We'll create a stretch slot here. And this point make coincident, and okay, we'll define dimension for them, 150, and this radius is 50. Now here right plane will sketch from perpendicular and draw some construction line. Here to here, and another and we'll add another construction line from this point to this point. Okay, just we'll define more here to make a proper sketch. We have to add a relation, so we'll add this relation to and select this point, midpoint of this construction line, and search for the midpoint for this, and okay, press shift and make coincident, and we'll add a sketch here, right plane sketch, normal. Okay, we'll sketch some so select these four straight lines and make a relation of equal, and similarly we'll do it for this this for straight line here. Select this construction line and this midpoint and make relation coincident, and do the same here, this and midpoint of this line make relation coincident. Then you will have exact origin here. This is our closed sketch here, and we'll put dimension of 20 to 25. Okay, 25, and this to be 10. So this is our closed path and a profile. So let's go to Sweep Boss Base here and select this, and as a path it will have to select this. So this is our preview. Let's have a look, and this is the model we have created using Sweep Boss Base. We'll add more features to this. We change the orientation of the profile along the sweep by assigning a profile to. So go to sweep and make edit here, and here, okay, options, you have to select the profile twist, specify twist value. We'll twist it with degree 360 here. A profile twist can be specified by a twist value, a direction vector, or by applying a tangency to adjacent faces. We'll put 360 twist value, and you can see the preview. If you click here the check, green check, then this is how the 3D model we have created this using Sweep Boss Base. And Sweep Boss Base is very useful tool. It has great features, and so you can apply it to the different places to make a solid model here. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Let's explore, and I'd like to hear you. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you.